Cody Armato's going to bring him around. The Tiger's going to hold off till they get by, and then she can drive off in the pits. Cody Armato, nobody can pass him before they get to the start-finish line. Is it going to pick up speed? Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be into turn 1. It's going to be the Maverick Bart Brockman to pull away from Cody Armato. Rich Schinderling, his teammate's going to go with him. John Triggs also looking to the outside of Cody Armato. That outside lane looks like it's fast. This race, everybody's going there except for Cody. Will he jump out there or not? I don't know. John Triggs going to try to get around Cody Armato. Let's see what happens here. It's the battle for third. Triggs just getting in front of him now as Mike Gazelle, the Gazelle, looking to try to make the same move. Everybody else single file. Gazelle now going to the inside to challenge Cody Armato for last place there. Nobody wants to be last. As Ricky Bobby says, if you ain't first, you're last, right? So it's the Maverick Bart Brockman bringing them around, followed by Rich Schinderling, John Triggs, Cody Armato, and Mike Gazelle is your lineup at this point. John Triggs got a little loop there coming out of turn 4, pretty close to that wall. Not something you want to hit here at the Rockford Speedway. It never goes well for the car. Wall seems to do okay, but never so much for the car. All right, this time by, we are 5 in, 3 to go for the Maverick, Bart Brockman. Have to wonder if his teammate is going to catch him or what's going to happen there. I don't know, but Cody Armato starting to get closer to John Triggs in that 2 car. So it looks like the 11 car is just going to be happy back there. I don't know if he's going to catch them there. He's got about 2 laps to do it. Into turn 3, white flag out for the Maverick, Bart Brockman. Rich Schinderling getting pretty close to him here. Will he make a run for the win? I don't know. Bart Brockman got pretty close with a lap. He had a 16.479 earlier. Pretty close, but he's still safe. And it's going to be the Maverick, Bart Brockman, to win, followed by Rich Schinderling, John Triggs, Cody Armato, and Mike Gazelle. Remember, race fans, spectacular drags coming up. Who wants to race their car? Come on and do it. It's fun. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. There's no other feeling like it in the world. There really isn't. I mean, people will watch you drive your car that you drive to work against somebody else who drives their car to work, and we'll see who wins. All right, Rockford Speedway. He's out there. Going to tell you a little bit about him. That is sponsored by Brockman Built Race Cars. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's Bart Brockman.